About a month ago, I posted a video about the 10 lessons that I wish I knew when I started metal detecting. Now, it got a lot of great comments on that video, and I'd like to share a few more tips with you today that I didn't think about before I did the first one. So let's get into it. Your first finds are probably going to be junk, but that's okay. I remember emptying my finds pouch after my first week of detecting. Rusted nails, foil, pull tabs, not exactly treasure by any means. But every dig taught me something. Every beat helped me train my ears. So if your pouch looks like a trash can, good. You're learning, and that's part of the journey. Turn down that sensitivity, and more than you might think you need to. So you just got your new detector. You're going to jack that sensitivity all the way up. I'm going to run out here. I'm going to find something super deep. It's going to be great. And no. Or probably aluminum. That's usually not the case. I used to think that at the beginning. I was cranking my sensitivity all the way up, but the problem was it just made my detector chatter like no tomorrow. It fatigued me, it wore me out mentally, and it was masking good targets. So don't be afraid to back down on that sensitivity. A stable machine is a much more effective one. Stick to one machine and master that machine. I made that mistake. I jumped in that rabbit hole. I wasn't finding things. So I figured surely it must be because I got a cheaper detector. So let me buy the next one up. This one's $400 more than the first one I bought. So it should be great, right? I'll find great things. Except for I didn't. Even with the machine that costs more, I was still finding the trash. And every now and then a sprinkling of something good. But the fact of the matter was I had not learned either machine the way I should have learned them. But once I took one machine out and focused on that one machine and started learning it inside and out, and I really learned it, that's when it started to make a difference for me. So know your machine inside and out. The best detector is the one that you understand. The VDI numbers are going to lie to you sometimes. Orientation to the target in the ground, condition of the target, ground conditions, what other targets are nearby. All of these things are going to affect the VDI. It's not 100% gospel. It's a tool, yes, but not 100% gospel. So just keep that in mind when it comes to VDI. It's just a guide. Trust your tones, trust the context of where you're at, not just that screen. Don't ignore iron. Learn from it. I used to hate digging iron, but honestly, listening to the iron has been a tool for me. I eventually realized that iron can tell me a story. If I'm pulling out square nails and some old rusted bits, especially square nails, that means I'm standing on old ground. So when I hit iron patches now, I slow it down because where there's iron, there's activity, and where there was activity, there might be something great. Hey, digging iron targets was how I found this flat iron, this axe head, and this pretty awesome cannonball. Connect with others. It makes all the difference in the world. Get out there and network. Get around people that love the hobby, talk shop, learn from each other. This hobby can be lonely if you let it be, but it doesn't have to be. Sharing finds, stories, lessons, that's where the fun really starts. And whether it's online or with a friend or at a club, don't isolate yourself. You'll learn more and you'll grow faster and you'll have a whole lot more fun if you network with other people. Okay, so that's some more tips that I wanted to give you. And if you got more to add, drop it in the comments below. I love reading the comments and I love it when people engage and try to help others. So drop them below if you got them. Now, if you missed the first video that I was talking about, go check that one out right here. It's worth watching. I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you. Now get out there and start swinging that coil.